We just survived the second earthquake.
And my people knocked out. Thunder earthquake.
Show him the blood. It's kind of.
I don't wanna.
Anyway, I'm gonna go and look at the destruction outside and try not to commit suicide.
You probably will. So
Yeah,
brace yourself.
I
You
always
might not be back.
Oh my god, it's so bad out here. Another earthquake's coming!
Oh
no, my dog! Oh, my dog! Oh, my doggy!
Oh, that's Michael's dog.
Alright, that is it. I'm committing suicide.
Hello, looks like I'm the only survivor. Oh, my face!
Oh,
My face!
sorry about that. A pelican caught me and shot me back.
It hurt my face!
Oh, God. I am in disgrace.
You should be. That hurt my face.
Yes, sorry. Oh, yeah. My doggy died. My little doggy.
You guys, by the way, no, it looks like I'm looking down, I'm not looking directly at the screen. That's because the stupid webcam's all the way up there. So I'm looking at the screen, which is just down.
Oh, yeah, our laptop survived.
That's it, yeah.
Anyway, I'm just going to go and try and commit suicide again.
I'm going to go and get another tissue. So there's not going to be anybody here for a while. So, while you're waiting, enjoy these Dalek pictures.
Bye. Oh my word! Oh no! Here comes the pelican! Ah! Where did Daniel go? What's that? Oh, did he? Oh, he went to. Well, what to do now? What should I do now? What should I do now? Oh, Daniel, come back! Daniel! I'm all alone. It's scary. All there is just my dog. Daniel! He's back. He's there. He's gone. He's there. He's gone. He's there. And then he's gone. Then he's there. And then he's gone. Just come back. He's gone. He's gone. He's not really gone.
Tinfoil.
Oh, tinfoil survived. And so did this ball. Hey, look, I got a ball as a hat and it's really, really fat. Yay, you're wearing the bowl now. I think we best go though. I think there's another earthquake coming. Oh no, you just got hit by my slipper. Anyway, I think best go. There's another earthquake.
No, that's it now. We're just like done with earthquakes. No more now.
Yeah, no more earthquakes. Oh no.
Oh no, stop it, wait. Okay, right, that's enough earthquake. I hope you enjoyed this 3-course episode.
Earthquake thing.
Don't forget to send in more challenges.
And reviews. Oh yeah, and our other challenges got deleted.
Yeah, weird.
Whoopsie daisy.
If any of you have started to report them, damn you.
Yeah, damn you.
But yeah, remember sending challenges, visit the website. I'll probably should be on a few more videos. Hopefully.
A few more. He will be on a load more.
Yeah, sorry.
Anyway,